In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to randomize lists in Google Sheets. If you've ever needed a quick, fair shuffle for things like assigning tasks, picking winners, or reordering a sign-up list, Google Sheets has a simple built-in tool that does exactly that. I'll walk you through it from a clean start so you can follow along on any computer. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to Google's homepage. If you're not already signed in, make sure you're logged into the account that holds your spreadsheet. In the top right corner of the page, look for the small grid icon. This is the Google Apps Launcher. Click it to open the panel of Google Services. From the list of apps, choose Sheets to open the Google Sheets homepage. Here you'll see your recent files. Open the spreadsheet that contains the list you want to shuffle. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar at the top to find it by name. Once your document is open, click and drag to highlight the exact cells you want to randomize. This part matters. If your list has a header, like a title at the top of the column, make sure you do not include that header in your selection. Otherwise, it will get mixed into the list. If your list spans multiple columns and you want to keep each row together as a unit, select the entire set of columns for the rows you want to shuffle. That way, the rows move together, and the data in each row stays aligned. With your range selected, go to the menu bar at the top and click Data. In the drop-down menu, choose Randomize Range. The moment you click it, Google Sheets will shuffle the rows within your selection. You won't see a dialog box. Your selection just updates instantly. Take a look to confirm it worked as expected. If you need a different order, you can simply run Randomize Range again as many times as you like until you're happy with the result. If you accidentally included something you didn't want to move, press Undo to return to the previous arrangement, then adjust your selection and randomize again. A quick note. Randomizing changes the order of your selected rows or cells without altering the actual content. It's a great, fast way to produce an unbiased order, and because it works on your selection only, you stay in control of exactly what moves and what stays put. That's it. An easy, reliable way to randomize any list in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching, and happy shuffling.